Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're solving an intriguing triangle problem where we'll determine the measure of angle DAB. This question combines key properties of isosceles triangles and angle relationships, so stick around to see how it all unfolds. First, let's focus on the condition length of AD is less than length of DC. Why is this important? It means that point D is closer to point A than to point C. This allows us to form two congruent triangles by using the side-side-side congruence criterion. This is because angle ADB equals angle BDC as given in the problem. Here, we also form an isosceles triangle BEC, where the base angles are 64 degrees. This is because BC equals BE, making the triangle isosceles with equal base angles. The adjacent angle to the base angles becomes 116 degrees, as the sum of the angles on a straight line is always 180 degrees. As we established earlier, there are two congruent triangles. Due to their congruence, their corresponding opposite angles are equal. This means measure of angle DAB equals 116 degrees as well. Thank you so much for following along and solving this problem with me. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.